Amit Tilki, our director, Dr. Kuldeep Dubey, the principal, Dr. G. Padma Gauri, the vice principal, heads of various departments, librarian, all the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. At the outset, I would like to welcome you formally on this today's occasion. As we have written, Prarambh. So something that we are going to start, that is Prarambh. We had a very thinking point in that, whether the name should be Prarambh or Arambh. Then something which came in my mind that I would like to share with you, that Prarambh is something that external force does, like we are doing that. हम प्रारंभ कर रहे हैं और आरंभ किसको करना है? आरंभ आपको करना है, ठीक? In this journey where we are going to make our career in the 3 years, we means the students. I have divided my whole speech into 3 to 4 types, categories. The first one will be talking about our college. The college has been incepted in the year 1995. If my calculation is right, it is 29th batch of BCom in which you are there, and we are welcoming you. It is 29th batch. The college is permanently affiliated to Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University. We have got courses in not only in the field of commerce, but in the field of management, computer education, computer application, physical education, education department, and also English and yoga, postgraduate diploma in yoga also we offer research cell, we offer physical education also. So there are multiple varied offers, varied streams that we are having in our college. So that is something about our college, how our journey went on. We had started as first English medium college of not only Raipur but probably in Chhattisgarh. And at those times we were able to cater the needs of the students. It is a very simple definition of marketing. The best way of doing marketing is identification of the need and then fulfilling those needs. And that is something exactly we were able to do. We had so many students, so many English medium students, which were not having courses of commerce in particular in this area, in English medium with co-education in a systematic manner, which we were able to offer, and through which we had penetrated into the system and we had started our journey very nicely. Over the period of time, I am really happy to say that we had been accredited by NAAC for 3 occasions. Every 5 years, NAAC, National Accreditation and Assessment Council, they come and they inspect. It is just like ISI or ISO, students के समझने के लिए. And we had a very thorough test, and we have been privileged that 3 occasions we were able to not only surpass that, but we have been given very decent ranking and one of the best in the area, particularly in the private colleges, the best I think in private colleges. So that is something, not only 1 but 3 occasions. And then our affiliating university, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, also does assessment of us. The private colleges are assessed by them, and we had been given 3 times the best college award. So that also in very recent past, that also is something that had gone in our journey. We are having very proven track record so far the management is concerned. College is run by Maritime fathers with a very broad outlook and very long-term goal. We have a very lush green outfield, lush green infrastructure with us, very good library facility, very rich in books, and sports facilities also indoor as well as outdoor. And these all things I am saying apart from teaching. In teaching, we have designed the syllabus in such a manner that 9 to 12 is study time, and after that you can go ahead and you can do the things whatever you would like to do. I am as HOD, I am always available after 12 o'clock. Whatever things you need from me, that would always be supplied to you. We have been offering scholarships, we have been offering placements, we have been offering excursions, picnics, and not only that, annual day, all the things that we are doing throughout the year. Throughout the year, the management is very keen and they really want you people to grow every moment. So that is something about the college, and we are working on placements also. Naturally, our course is graduation, so instead of placements, our students are progressed to higher education, but still we are doing things in those lines also. So my dear students, it is not only the studies, but so many co-curricular and extracurricular activities also we offer. We are very soon going to plan out your this academic calendar in which your extracurricular and co-curricular activities will also be designed. We have been tied up in WhatsApp group, and there I personally give information to all of you. So that is something about the college. Now, if I want to talk to you about the course that you have chosen, that is BCom. It is a good practical course. It is divided into 3 years. Yearly examination patterns are there, and then the course is having 25 subjects, in which one subject is additional, and 24 subjects are divided into 3 years. First year, second year, and third year. In this session itself, we have started this, university has started 75% written examination and 25% internal examination. So all in all, in my assessment, we are having so many practical subjects also, plus internal examinations are also. So if the student aims high, they can really get very good percentage in this whole BCom system. After BCom, as I told you, it is a very good practical subject. You have got opportunity all round, and as per your aptitude, you can go and do MBA, you can go do CA, you can go do your startups, your entrepreneurship, you can go and do your competitive examination like bank probationary officer, PSC, UPSC. So everywhere the opportunity is open for you. It is really for you, it is up to you to just start the things, not only in studies but all round development. So that is something about the course that we are offering. And after that, I would like to just request you people, the students, that some of the things that you should carry in your mind: be focused, be disciplined, do not go with excuses. Excuses will make us happy today, but we will suffer tomorrow. But if you are disciplined, you will be a bit suffer, or you can say taken into task today, but you will be happier tomorrow. And just respect your teachers, take guidance from the teachers, and teachers also I request that they should be before students all the time, and they should just see the exact need of the students, and they should go ahead with that. We offer not only regular classes but remedial classes also, and we will be with you all day, all time, throughout the year. With these words, I would like to sum up my speech. Thank you very much.